Hi guys, welcome back to Lancom TV. Hi Waruna.
Hi Priscilla.
I believe Waruna is our third time guest and
okay.
3 or 4 times now.
Lost count.
I seem to always bring him back to talk about software. So today's topic is slightly controversial. We're going to talk about when not to write a software. We've spoken a lot about the whole idea of businesses writing software, how software is helping create leverage in this world potentially. So today I want to talk to you about the opposite really, Waruna. When should people actually not go ahead and write something from scratch?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we deal with this question a lot with our client base, especially people who want to create software. It's quite a costly affair if you don't know exactly what you're trying to achieve. So there's a few key things that you need to kind of work out in this. Number one being, is this a problem that's already been solved by somebody else? That's already built a piece of software? And as a result, are you just looking for a feature enhancement, or are you actually trying to solve something from scratch which nobody else has done before? So there's a little process that we go through with that. We use what's called a lean canvas, which will actually go through and identify, is there an existing alternative to what you're trying to do? What are the pain points that you're trying to solve? As well as what sort of problem or the magnitude of the problem is that you're trying to solve. Because the worst thing that you can do when you're trying to create an application is to write an application for someone's 10th problem as opposed to their first, second and third.
First and third problem. Okay, so it's looking for, this is my problem, is it worth solving through a completely brand new solution and understanding the implications of that. Is there anything else that we usually would say, if this is not met, just don't even go there?
Yeah, I mean, we've talked about the working backwards process quite a lot.
Quite a few times.
Everything sounds really good in your head and you think everything is a great solution, and sometimes even around a boardroom table or around your colleagues, there's an echo chamber and everybody says, yes, that's a great idea, we should go and create it. But the working backwards process really puts some rigor into that, what you're about to embark on, and allows you to go through and write that press release, write the FAQs, write the user stories, and then really communicate what you're trying to achieve out of that application and if it's going to actually solve a problem that is worth solving.
And I guess if that only makes sense in your head and you can't really put down paper, then usually that's where you have an issue. Another thing is, it's usually way easier and cheaper to iterate on paper than it is once you've handed that over to the developers to try and actually build the tool. I guess the other thing from my perspective as well is, can you keep up with updates, right? The thing about technology and software is that it keeps evolving, and I'm sure down the track you will have some new ideas, some new things you want to bring into life for that product. And if you haven't really thought through the life journey of that product or software and potentially can't really keep improving on it, then probably that's a sign that you shouldn't build it from day one, should it?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, as soon as you build a piece of software, it becomes an asset in your company.
It does, yes.
And just like anything else, it needs work at it. If you're looking to integrate with other applications or off-the-shelf applications, they all evolve. Security evolves, the complexity of the data evolves, and as a result, you need to spend more time and money in making your application, which you've just created from scratch, evolve with those other systems to keep up with them. So there is a level of investment that's required year on year, or even quarter by quarter. It's not something that you build once and just forget. Yeah, absolutely.
I guess as a final point as well, it's a given, but it's always worth talking about it. If your investment is greater than the return you're likely to get with this application, then probably don't even go there.
Yeah, exactly right.
Doing your numbers and understanding what are you likely to be getting as a result of investing in that application and going, is this worth it? Should I even start?
You don't want to spend $2 to make one.
No, no.
And as a result, I think what you really need to work out is, is the application really going to create more efficiency within your business that's actually, you can put that down to a dollar value? Is it going to create a new market or a new set of products for you that is going to give you more revenue? Or if it's solving a problem which you can resell to others who have the same, or in the same vertical, that you can create a whole new business out of. These are all things that you can actually work out using that lean canvas, like I said. There is a free application for that from Lean Stack. So you can go online, you can download the canvas.
Try it yourself,
Then you can fill in the quadrants and work it out.
Awesome. That was really good, Waruna. Thank you so much for popping by again.
No problems.
Appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.
See you later.
See you later.